Last week, we took a ferry over to Toboga Island for a day at the beach. This week, we visit a new neighborhood in Panama City and check out the Emotions Dinner Theater. Hey friends! Another day in Panama City. We are in Costa del Este neighborhood. We haven't explored this one, so we thought we'd come out here at Park Felipe Moda?
I don't know how to say it.
It's a little walking path and looks like a river, but it's pretty low. But there's freaking ducks everywhere. Huge ducks.
Yeah, we'll
everywhere.
get some of them. What's that?
I'm kind of scared. There's so many in here. Just sitting here.
They're everywhere.
They're so tame. Oh, this is probably where they get fed.
And water, yeah. Let's go. Don't be a chicken, they're ducks.
I am a chicken.
They're afraid of you too.
I don't think they're afraid of me.
Yeah, they are.
They're huge.
Those are warts on their face.
Gross. Is it actually?
I think so.
Or is that just what they're like? I don't think that one likes us.
Nope. That's cool though.
Tide's out right now. Super low. A lot of trash. Don't want to see that.
Let's see what you got, Sporty.
It's been a long time. I can't do it anymore.
How's that make you feel?
Weak. Should I try monkey bars?
Always monkeying around. Oh yeah. Not bad. Need some rhythm in there.
Yeah. How's that so easy as a kid?
Because you only weighed 30 pounds.
Oh, yeah. What else?
I thought you were gonna do a pull-up.
I can't do pull-ups.
Nothing like an outdoor workout when it's plus 34.
My arms are dead. So we're at Kokeshi's sushi bar in Costa del Este for a little lunch. And Chad always gets sake. It's not my favorite thing. I used to like it, but I just can't handle it anymore. So he ordered one of the sakes and then the waiter brought him out two different kinds. We had a little sake tasting. Isn't that nice?
It was. They're both delicious.
There you go.
Pearl's a little sweeter.
Pearl is sweeter.
Yep.
That's what you're going with.
Yep.
Leaking.
It's tough being this hot.
Yeah. You're a babe. And look at this limonada to coconut again. Yeah, you can, babe. You want me to feed it to you? Oh, there's no stem.
Got you.
I love this drink. It's so yummy and delicious. This is the nicest presentation I've ever seen.
Fresh cooked coconut.
Mm. So this is town center in Costa del Este, and we're kind of just walking around. Didn't really have any plans or anything, and we walked through this new mall behind us, mainly for air conditioning, and came across this mini golf, and it was glow in the dark. It's only 20 bucks for us to play 18. So I thought, why not? of nice when you don't have your day planned out like that and you just say yes to whatever shows up. And so we're walking into this brewing company. It's next to a dog park. It's like one of those food markets that's all outside and you can choose what you want to eat from all the different stalls. So we're gonna have a couple beers.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, should we?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Oh, it stretches back there too.
Check it out.
Check out what's all in here?
Yep.
Okay. Look it. Cute. Fake dinosaurs in there.
Oh, good.
Yeah, it does smell really good. And there's this whole obstacle park back here.
Cool.
And then another mall, we think. This is neat.
Yeah.
Are you gonna do that, Chad?
Right.
Oh, it is. It's probably not done being built. This is definitely one of the cooler, like, open markets I've been to. There's not a lot of people here, though. Like, 4 tables. We're gonna go up to the top of this sea can.
Way up.
All the way up to the rooftop.
The container top.
The container top, yeah. This is all dog friendly, this whole place,
Yeah.
eh?
Yeah. I got dog dishes everywhere for water.
Yeah. I think dogs would love it here. This dog does.
I was gonna say this dog does.
Completely unplanned. Well, we were ready to go home after playing cards at the last place that I showed you with the food market there. But there must have been an accident or something, and it's saying that it's going to take us 25 minutes drive to get home, and it should take 10 minutes. So we're like, oh, let's just wait till rush hour's over. We'll go somewhere else. So we ended up at this really nice lounge on this rooftop. But we keep checking the traffic, and it's not going down. It's very backed up, so we just keep ordering more and more drinks.
Tough life.
I don't know, we might be pitting in. Look at this view behind me, though.
I'm too busy checking out the view in front of me.
Hey friendly people, wanted to let you know that throughout all of my travels, I've used Holafly eSIM to stay connected. Gone are the days of making sure your phone's unlocked and then spending the first couple hours of your vacation trying to find a kiosk to insert an actual physical SIM card into your phone. Now you can go onto their website, pick the country that you're going to, the duration, and they will email you instructions on how to install yourself. If you run into any trouble, they're always available via WhatsApp for support. If you want a discount, you can use my link below. Back to the vlog. Slick back. So we are going out tonight to an event that begins at 10:30. Begins at 10:30. Which is crazy for us, more so me, because usually I'm definitely in bed by 10:30. But we're like, no, we want to do it, and it's a cabaret show at the Hilton Hotel here. We're heading over. I messaged our friend. He said there's room. He got us a reservation for the 10:30 slot tonight. There's like 4 different acts at the Hilton, 4 different shows, and they play from Wednesday to Saturday every week, and then they change those 4 shows every 3 months. We're staying at the Hilton a few weeks ago, and we met the owner there, and he used to do like big production shows in Vegas, and then he moved here and he opened the bar, and now he does the shows here, and he owns a strip club in Panama as well, apparently, which we haven't been to yet. Yeah, we might go one night, who knows. Their 4 shows are Michael Jackson, Battle of the Stars, traditional like Panama through history, and then Cabaret, which is the more like rated R one. That's why it's the last show. It's at 10:30. Come. It looks beautiful.
I was just looking in the mirror.
I know.
I didn't need to be in the vlog.
We both got nips out tonight.
Yeah,
Chad ironed both our shirts. Thanks, babe.
not bad for a noob.
You're not a noob at ironing.
Don't tell everyone.
I'm a noob. I don't do the ironing.
I'm the ironing bitch.
Yeah. So we're going to the 10:30 show, the Cabaret Show. We're gonna leave right now. It's 9 o'clock and get some pre-drinks. Because if I hit the bed, I'm out. So we're trying to keep energy high. The fit tonight, we are doing dressy cash.
You look smoking.
Thanks! You gotta love that freshly washed, slick back bun with some gold. And now I need to pick some shoes. I mean, I only have really 2 options, so I've been carrying these around with me for years. They're vintage Italian leather that I found at a thrift shop in Vernon for like 20 bucks, and I love them. I wear them all the time. And then I just picked these ones up here in Panama City at the mall, also for like 30, maybe 30 American, for my cousin's wedding. But they're really nice nude colors. I think maybe I'll go with them.
Hit up the Nino.
Should we?
Lose some money?
Lose another
140?
140 American or 600 Canadian?
Let's roll.
This is what I love about this place is the smell. Right when you walk in, it smells so good in here.
Always.
Voila. Let's get a dessert drink before we go see Franco.
Let's check the cigar place first.
Okay.
L2?
Yeah.
Right there. Gracias.
Gracias. Yeah. Last time we were staying here, we got these amazing drinks at Bar Blue, and mine is called No Excuses, and it's like dessert in a glass. I've never had such an unreal beverage in my life. So good. Boozy. It's like rum, chocolate, and strawberry. Tastes like a delicious milkshake. I don't know. I've been thinking about it since we left here last time.
Can't believe you didn't cheers me.
Oh yeah. Cheers, babe. And what do you get here?
Dirty martini. Dirty gin martini.
Gin martini.
Delicious.
It's not cheap here though.
It's only like $84,000 Canadian.
Yeah, this is $15 American, so.
Same thing. How sweet is that sand?
I know.
Ooh. Like no.